The Martinsville and Henry County community has lost a local legend and icon. Ricky Big Bird Holcomb passed away Thursday at the age of 65. Holcomb could be found at his shop, Big Bird's Big Twins, on Greensboro Road in Ridgeway, helping motorcycle lovers repair or customize their rides. He was most notably known for helping thousands of children during Christmas. For 25 years, Holcomb led riders and drivers from the seat of his favorite Harley-Davidson motorcycle for the annual Big Bird's Toy Run, which helps provide toys for needy children and their families. The event is a caravan of motorcycles and other vehicles, with participants making donations to Benefit Christmas Cheer, an organization that provides presents and food to families who need it most. Ricky Holcomb's legacy of helping others, especially children, will live on for years to come, as his friends plan to continue to host the toy run and keep his name on it.